Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you an interesting thing with some old radios. This is the fourth one I've just finished fixing up. It's going nicely, but with this one it's the first time I've tied the earth cable to the chassis of the unit, which is, you know, what you should normally do, but this is a good example of you know, the earth's dirty, so it's noisy in the house, and this is a good example of what that sounds like. It's going to take a little while to warm up as the valves heat up, but we should hear just like a buzzing noise. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Here we go.
You get it for free with your Artisan KitchenAid. What a corker of an offer. Pots and pans and Tasmanian
You can hear that
Forbes Street, Devonport, yeah?
that noise over the top of the station. And now I'll tune it off the station. And we've just got a buzzing there. Just to make sure, we'll turn some of these lights off. It's not coming from those. But the buzzing's there even though it's off a station. And anywhere across the band, you can hear that buzzing. And it increases to a point with the volume. We'll tune back in.
Favourite laid-back lunch or Mozzarella really is a little piece of paradise, ideal for escaping the cares of the world. Find out more at rediscovertasmania.com.au. Rediscover Tasmania.
Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to plug it into this line conditioner I got from a tip shop. For those of you who don't know what a tip shop is, that's just where you take all your rubbish, a garbage dump, and they've a lot of places have set up little shops there with stuff they think they might be worth $5 or whatever. They'll chuck it in the shop and you can go and buy it. And I saw this there. I saw it there a couple of times and then I couldn't resist. I just had to get it just because it's awesome. And I don't even know what you'd use it for now. Like, why do you need a line conditioner? As far as I know, inside, we'll do a tear down on this later. It's just a great big transformer that conditions the line, so it's a nice sine wave like that instead of having little rough patches as it would. Now I can't test that. This might have, I'm not sure how old it is. It looks reasonably old, maybe 80s, 90s. Maybe we can find that out inside. And I've got nowhere to test it now. I believe I need a oscilloscope to test that on the output. So the sine wave, the dirty sine wave should go in, and a nice clean one should come out. I'm going to plug the radio in and see if it does anything. Okay, I've plugged in the line conditioner now, and you can hear it's buzzing. It's got its own little buzz. I'm not sure if it's meant to do that. I've never used one before. Maybe someone out there in the YouTubes can let me know. Anyway, we've turned that on. Now we'll plug the radio in. Plugging the radio in. I'll try this one. Plugged in, turn it on. Turn the radio on. Wait for those tubes to heat up again. You can hear the dogs fighting in the background. Now that's interesting, isn't it? There's none of that noise. Oh no, it is still there. It is a little hard to tell though, because this is buzzing a fair bit. If it's quiet, seems pretty good.
Also, his third man upward. Thought that tactic around the rucks to try to take Jacobs.
But we've still got that that noise over the top. So I'm going to take it back apart and I'm going to undo the earth, and I believe that noise will be gone. So we'll try that out.
In the latter part of the game, might have got the three.
Okay, so I've disconnected the earth. It's just warming up now. It's out of its case and back to front. So this is the front, this is the back, of course. But see what we get.
Passionate about helping your thyroid. Stands behind Caruso's thyroid manager with a money-back guarantee.
It's the way we make it that makes all the difference.
New Caruso's thyroid from leading health stores. Use only as directed.
This 7AD presents great NWBU action. The Bendigo Bank on the Rookie Wildcats. The men are on first at 7 p.m. with Monzago Williams up against an informed.
There's still a bit of a buzz there.
With both teams in the NWB top 4, this game will be close and entertaining. The women hit the court at 8:30 and the Red Hoppers win is expected. Ulverston is able with the Wildcats desperate for a victory. This week's home game brought to you by Cameron's Account. 7AD Community Switch for NMG. We mine for progress.
Midcroft Auxiliary will hold a Mother's Day morning tea at the Devonport Soccer Club. May at 10:30 a.m. Entry is just $8 and the event will include a chocolate wheel, lucky door prizes and fresh produce and home cooked.
7ad.com.au, part of our community. If it happened in the 70s, 80s or 90s...
We'll try it without going through the line converter now. Okay, so line conditioner off. Still a bit of a crackle there.
The band that weren't a New Zealand band for long. In fact, they weren't a band at all for long. 39, moved to...
That's actually better, I think. See, I'm just putting my finger, that's the antenna there, and that's the earth. It's only using this little bit of wire as an antenna at the moment, but I'll boost it up by using me as the antenna. That's not too bad. We'll put him back together and consider him complete. I can still hear a bit of the buzzing, but after putting it together and listening to it, it's definitely a lot better now I've disconnected the earth inside the radio. Much, much better. It's barely even there now. And I'm being very picky. So there you go. Dirty house earth. Dirty, dirty earth. Thanks for watching. We'll break this down soon. Yeah.